Good evening, Caroline.
Hi, teacher.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Yeah, what's the weather in Vietnam now? Very
It's
hot?
warm.
Very hot?
No, it's warm.
Oh, it's warm. Oh, in my country today, it's been 3 days already, Caroline. We really have a very bad weather. I mean, the weather is not really good. It's really, really hot. Okay, it's been 3 days already. It's very hot. The weather it becomes very hot. So it's quite stressful that the weather is not good. Okay, I hope everything will be all right in the next few days. Okay, so this one, Caroline, we have here some of the vocabulary words. We have the word customer. It means a person or an organization that buys something from a shop, a store, or business. Okay, when you see the word admission, admission, it means the act of accepting somebody into an institutions, organizations. That admission, I admit you, I accept you. Matinee, it's an afternoon performance. It's an afternoon showing of a film. Okay, so that's matinee. So when you say matinee idol, that's the actor or the actress that you like in a play or in a film. Okay, towel, horse. This is the one we use when we travel. Please look at the example below. Okay. Please check the example given.
Mm. I'm done.
So we have here, not all driver can stop here. What is your answer?
D.
Hmm?
D.
Let us check. Correct. D. So it means parking for police cars only. Okay, two. Children cannot come here in the evening. Children cannot come here in the evening.
A.
It's A. Three. Driver must be careful. Drivers must be careful.
C.
Letter C. Okay, 4. Not everyone can make a call from here. Not everyone can make a call from here. It is
No? 4. B, B.
4 is B. A, correct. Telephones. It means call telephone. 5. Only adults have to pay here.
E.
5 is E. Okay.
Huh?
6. 6 is
I'm done.
A. 7. There are special changing rooms. What is the answer for number 7?
B.
8. Please blank to take towel with you to the pool.
Remember.
Mm, Please remember to take a towel with you to the pool. Of course. If you are blank, you can get a drink in the snack bar upstairs.
Thirsty.
Thursday. Okay, it means you want to drink thirsty. Okay. In the afternoons, there are swimming classes for children of all blank.
I.
Of all ages. From ages. Okay, regardless of old or you're young, it's ages. Okay, please try to answer.
I'm done.
Okay. John's going to London.
By train.
Hmm? When do you study?
B.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you like my new shoes?
A.
Okay. Be careful.
B.
Okay, I will. I hate basketball.
C.
Okay. Next one, 16 to 20. Please complete the conversation between the two friends. What does David say to Sarah? Okay. Again, complete the conversation between two friends. What does David say to Sarah? For question 16 to 20, mark the correct letter A to H on your answer sheet. Okay, finish this one.
I'm done.
Okay, so let us have the conversation. Please tell me your answer so we can read together. Caroline, number 16, Caroline.
Yeah.
16, what is your answer?
C.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 17.
H.
Mm-hmm. 18.
G.
Mm-hmm. 19.
B.
Okay, B correct. And 20.
Um. A.
Okay, A. Okay, so let us read this one, Caroline. I am Sarah and you are David. Okay, A first. Okay. Hello, David. How are you? You are Sarah.
Yeah.
Hello, David. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Mm-hmm. I'm tired. I went to see a late film last night.
Oh, what did you see?
Uh, that one with Brad Pitt, the American actor.
Do you think I'd like?
Mm, I think so. You liked his last film, didn't you?
Yes, it's really good. Which
Uh, the,
cinema did you go to?
the new one in the city center.
Are the ticket expensive there?
Yes, it's six pounds, but it's much better than the old one.
Perhaps I'll go next week.
Well, I hope you like it. Okay, thank you so much for reading this one. Please read the article about Esther and then answer the questions for question 21 to 27. This is about Esther, the successful businessman. Oh, sorry. So we cannot read because there is no. Okay, that is Esther. Okay, with the article about the travel. This one is about travel. Sorry, you cannot read about Esther.
I'm 10.
Okay, so number 28, what is your answer?
28. B.
Mm. Okay, 28 is sea flew. Okay, 120 years later in 1903, the Wright brothers built the first plane with an engine and flew in it. Flew, past tense, because that was 1903. Okay, this was blank at the United States state. Is this correct? And,
In.
okay, number 30. Okay, listen. Aeroplane change blank in in the next 30 years.
A.
Correct. Okay, 31. Then
B.
in 1950s, aeroplane becomes much blank because they had jet engines. What is the answer for 31?
B.
Okay, correct. Very good, Caroline. Okay, so in 1976, Concorde was built in the UK and France. It is difficult. It is the fastest passenger plane in world, and it blank fly at 2,500 kilometers an hour. What is the answer 32?
Can. C.
Okay. So the journey blank London to New York is only 4 hours. The journey to,
Bow.
okay, the journey from London to New York is only 4 hours. Today, millions of people travel blank aeroplane. What is the answer? This?
B.
Okay, let me see with
Taxi.
on fly. Caroline? Letter C, is that what you mean? Okay,
Yes.
Caroline. Today, millions of people travel blank aeroplane, and it's difficult to think of a world without blank. Okay, what is the answer? 35.
A.
It is? Okay, A then. Okay. Please answer this one.
I'm 10.
Okay. If you want a room in hotel, you can phone and do this first. What is this? This
Book.
is
Book.
book. Okay. When you arrive at the hotel or the campsite, You go here first. What is this?
I don't know.
Ah, okay, letter R, reception. Reception is the place where you will going to check in the hotel. You sleep inside this on top side. This
Ten.
is
Ten.
10. Very easy. Okay. This kind of hotel room is for two people.
Double.
Okay, it is double. You go here to enjoy the sun and swim in the sea.
Beach.
You go here
Okay.
to enjoy the sun and swim in the sea. This is
Beach.
okay, beach. Okay, sorry, Caroline, ha, teacher, and has a headache today. Okay, please try to write the letter here. Sample last days. Na, 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 na.
I'm done.
Number one, what is the answer for 41? Last or this? 42. I was on 8:30 a.m. The train to Cambridge left 10th of May. Number 10th of May. What is the answer?
Last.
On the 10th of May. Okay. So it is blank, large blue bag, and my name blank written on the outside. You found this bag. Yours faithfully, Mary Jensen. It is 42. 10th May. It is blank, large blue bag, and my name is written. Okay, 43 is
Oh,
44. What's 44? And my name blank written on the outside.
is.
44 is, okay. Yours faithfully, Mary Jensen. Okay, 46. What is the answer for 46?
Um,
Am. 47. I am pleased to tell blank that we have your bag here.
you.
Mhm. The office 50 at 9 a.m. and closes at 6:30 p.m. every day. The answer 48.
Is.
49.
Open.
50, the last number.
Um, is.
Very good. Yay! Great job, Caroline. Thank you so much, Caroline, for today. Okay, so
Thank you, teacher.
yes, I will see you on Sunday. Okay, thank you,
Oh,
Caroline.
wait, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Wait. This Sunday is a big traditional day in Vietnam, so can I miss the lesson?
On Sunday?
Yeah, can I miss the lesson?
On Sunday, yeah, sure. On Sunday. So on Sunday, we're gonna have, we don't have, how about, wait, wait. Saturday. Is it okay on Saturday or, okay? Or we're gonna meet on next day?
No, I just next week, okay?
Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, Caroline.
Thank you, teacher. Bye
Yes.
bye.